My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. In the beginning, God made everything. God simply spoke and the world came to be. He sent a flood and made everything new. He parted the sea and let his people walk through. He helped a boy bring a giant right down. Joshua marched, the walls fell to the ground. These acts of power are worthy of praise. But if you want to question my God and his ways, I'll look you in the eye and say, my God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. Though we are sinners, he still gave us worth. God sent his son to live here on the earth. He healed the sick, he made blind men see. He let the lame walk and he set the world free. He died on a cross and he rose from the grave. He conquered sin, he is mighty to save. He went to heaven and he's coming back. God's word is true, but if it's attacked, I'll look you in the eye and say, my God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. God the Spirit, God the Father, God the Son. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1. God the Spirit, God the Father, God the Son. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1. I want the world to know about my God. I wanna live so the whole world can see that my heart has changed, I'm forgiven and new. If people need proof, may they see it in me. Let's look the world in the eye. Let's look them in the eye and say, my God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. I'm not afraid because God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do.
Here we go. Na, 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 na. Hello everybody, this is David Carote reporting live from ROH Kids Camp, first ever Kids Camp ever. And here today in the studio I have Kevin Lutsenko. Kevin, welcome to the show.
Hello there, David. I'm happy to be here.
So this is the first ever Kids Camp that ROH has ever done. Kevin, tell me, what are you feeling so far? What have you experienced so far? How's the first day of Kids Camp?
So far, it's been really exciting. We've done a lot of water activities, and we've just been really active the whole day, and we're interacting with a lot of kids, making sure that nobody gets hurt or nobody's just overstepping bounds. But also, everyone's smiling and everyone's happy, and Jesus is here.
Okay, Kevin, if you were a kid, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this Kids Camp?
Oh, a bajillion.
A bajillion?
A bajillion.
For us who don't know big numbers like that, what does that mean?
A lot.
And why is that?
Because it's Kids Camp. It's awesome, dude.
Gabriel, what was your favorite part of this camp so far?
Everything.
What exactly of everything was your favorite part?
Meeting new kids and learning more about Jesus and his ways to rule.
Wow. What do the words chosen by God mean to you?
I am God's child.
You are God's child. That is perfect. Mila, what was your favorite part of camp so far?
The games.
Саша, скажи мне, какая была самая любимая часть этого кемпа, этого лагеря?
Как пастор Виктор проповедует, у него такие классные проповеди.
Саша, мы тебя правильно научили, бро. Красавчик. Okay, today we are in the studio with
Jacob.
Jacob. What was your favorite part of camp so far?
Pastor Victor preaching!
This is good. We're teaching the kids the right thing. Christina, who do you love the most in your life?
God.
What is your favorite part of camp?
Pastor Victor's preaching.
Прямо сейчас мы берем интервью у... Как ты говоришь, дядя Игорь, но я не дядя Игорь. У дяди Игоря. Дядя Игорь, скажите мне, какая была ваша самая любимая часть этого кемпа?
Ну, как дети говорят, что пастор Виктор самый лучший проповедует.
Это был правильный ответ. Второй вопрос. Что вы думаете, как вы думаете, этот кемп или лагерь влияет на наших детей? Ну, или на ваших, у меня еще нет их?
Я думаю, что они станут более дружелюбные друг к другу и friendly.
И friendly. И какая была ваша самая любимое блюдо сегодня?
Котлеты.
I am.